Have you ever thought about how the meals you prepare can be a gateway to a deeper emotional connection with yourself and your loved ones? Cooking up emotions, healthy meal ideas isn't just about recipes, it's an exploration of how the act of cooking and the choices you make in your kitchen can be a transformative journey toward enhancing emotional well-being, promoting a sense of connection, and ultimately leading to a more flavorful and fulfilling life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as practical as meal preparation become a source of profound emotional nourishment, cultural appreciation, and a deeper connection with your inner self and others? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of cooking and its profound influence on emotions and well-being. At the heart of cooking up emotions, healthy meal ideas, lies the understanding that cooking can be a powerful medium for emotional connection and overall well-being. Cooking encourages creativity. When you engage in cooking, you have the opportunity to express yourself, fostering emotional well-being and a sense of accomplishment. It fosters cultural appreciation. Exploring and preparing dishes from different cuisines can lead to a deeper understanding and respect for other cultures, promoting emotional well-being and connection. Cooking can be a source of comfort. Preparing familiar, comforting meals can soothe and uplift your spirits, contributing to emotional well-being. It supports social connections. Sharing a home-cooked meal with loved ones creates a sense of togetherness and emotional connection, promoting overall well-being. Cooking promotes mindfulness. When you cook with intention and attention, it can serve as a form of meditation, leading to emotional well-being and a deeper connection with your inner self. It encourages healthier choices. By cooking at home, you have control over ingredients, allowing you to make nutritious choices that promote emotional well-being. The act of cooking often encourages self-compassion. When you prioritize meal preparation, you affirm the importance of nurturing yourself and your loved ones, fostering a more flavorful and fulfilling life. Cooking is an invitation to cultivate patience. It encourages you to explore your relationship with food, emotions, and well-being, ultimately leading to a more profound sense of emotional well-being and connection. Moreover, cooking is a tool for personal growth. It encourages you to take responsibility for your emotional nourishment, cultural appreciation, and overall well-being, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and emotionally connected life. In conclusion, cooking up emotions, healthy meal ideas, is an invitation to prioritize the profound connection between cooking, emotional well-being, cultural appreciation, and connection with yourself and others. It's a reminder that the meals you prepare significantly impact your emotional state, promoting emotional well-being, cultural appreciation, and a more flavorful and fulfilling life. By incorporating the principles of cooking into your life, you can unlock a lasting source of emotional nourishment, cultural understanding, and a profound sense of connection that enriches your daily existence. So, with each meal you prepare, every culinary experiment, and the awareness of the importance of emotional well-being and connection, envision it as an opportunity to use cooking as a creative outlet for emotional well-being, cultural appreciation, and a more flavorful and fulfilling life, one dish at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.